Hey all you beautiful people, I have something pretty incredible to show you today. Don't want to miss it. I will link the product below so you can shop it directly because I promise you this is going to blow your mind. Oh my gosh, best product I have ever used, and I have used a lot of them. See this beauty? This is called Restore, and it will become your new best friend. It is the best brush cleaner I have ever found. I have tried, oh my god, so many different brush cleaners from so many different places that this one trumps them all. I promise you, you will not regret it. It is, oh my, 8 ounces of pure magic. Let me show you. It conditions, it's antibacterial, it makes your brushes feel like they are brand new again, and it dries instantly. Mind blown. Okay, ready? Let me show you. Just got my nice microfiber cloth here that I use to clean all of my brushes. You can use a towel too if you feel like it, but I just love microfiber cloths. I'm gonna take this, just gonna spray it directly on my brush. As you can tell, it's not super clean, so just gonna spray it on. You can use any pumps as you feel like. This really will go a long way. And then I'm just gonna take it, let me see if I can show you, just swirling it around. And as I'm swirling, it's just coming right off. Oh, and also it smells like cotton candy. It's incredible. Okay, my brush now has that beautiful white blue tint to the top of it. It is nice and clean, it's dry. I can do my makeup if I want to with it. Seriously, this stuff, you need it. And it will really only take you like a few seconds to clean your brushes. Let's do another one. Here you go, this one's dirty. I'm gonna spray the brush directly on this. Take it on my cloth, wipe it around, and it's just gonna come right off. And it's dry, and it smells amazing. My brushes are so soft again. See? Perfect, beautiful, dry amazingness. You need this in your life. So if you found this video valuable, please share it. Please subscribe below so you can see the rest of my makeup tutorials, my life hacks, and everything else that I have planned for this channel. And I will link this below so you can shop it directly and get you this amazing brush cleaner. You can use it for any type of brush out there. I promise you, you need this in your life.